Choosing the best remote car starter could mean the difference between a scorching steering wheel, or a freezing one, or a nice air-conditioned vehicle to step into. Our evaluation focused on range, one-way versus two-way communication, and signal strength. We also explored auxiliary features such as smartphone compatibility and the number of key fobs. Keep reading to learn more about the all-in-one two-way remote car starter. Also, check out our best car accessories list to see our top picks. Number 1, MPC Remote Car Starter Kit for Jeep Wrangler. We love the fact this remote car starter kit uses the factory remote. It is very easy to use. Simply press a lock sequence to remote start and activate your AC to warm or cool before stepping into the vehicle. Though this remote car starter is very intuitive and responsive, it carries a limited range, up to 60 feet, which we consider a trade-off for a much easier installation, if you want to be able to charge your phone on the go. You might also want to grab the best car charger to keep your phone charged. This is the best remote car starter kit for 2007 to 2018 Jeeps. Coming play and play style for people that prefer a more simple installation using their own OEM fob. The Smart Start compatibility allows the user to use a mobile app to lock and unlock the vehicle without any issue. Moreover, the overall usability, security integrations, and executions are well on par with our expectations. For this reason, we see fit to name this one the best remote car starter for the money. Pros: uses the car's included FOB fob, intuitive start sequence, very easy to install, supercode technology of flexibility. Cons: only compatible with key engines. Number 2, Compustor CS7900 as all-in-one remote car starter. This remote car starter is very easy and intuitive to use. It only needs a 2-5 second press of the key button to turn your car on. Two-way confirmation also uses a visual and a horn to inform if your vehicle received the command, which we found very useful. There are also other features, such as trunk releases for shoppers and keyless entry system with lock and unlock buttons, to deter would-be thieves. This remote car starter comes with a 105 dB plus siren, which is about as loud as a police siren or jackhammer. Other security features use intelligent security sensors that monitor your trunk, hood, and doors when sensing impact. This is a great way to alert of a possible intrusion, especially useful if you frequently walk in poorly lit areas. If you think that your issue goes beyond just a jump, use your best car diagnostic scanner to figure out what's wrong. This is the best remote car starter, featuring two-way confirmation, a siren to deter would-be thieves, and a massive 3,000-foot range, which works great if you live or work in a large household or commercial office. Number 3, Viper 5706V two-way car security with remote start system. Viper is one of the big names in car security. The 5706V is our top pick, offering a complete suite of remote start, keyless entry, and security. The remote starter lets you start or turn off your car at a range of 1 mile or less. You can also open your doors and trunk and even see the status of your car on the LCD display. Equipped with Responder LC3, the Viper 5706V monitors the status of your car. LC3 provides information like your car's internal temperature and sends you alerts and reminders if you leave your car unlocked or running. If anything happens to your car, the shock sensor activates, and the system alerts you to the status of your car, including the doors and trunk. Additionally, it can start, unlock, and monitor systems on 2 separate cars. There are 2 drawbacks to the Viper 5706V. First, it is a complex system to install. If you don't have experience wiring car stereos or security systems, it's best to leave the installation to a professional. However, it's still less than the cost of an original equipment dealer installed remote start system and offers more range and features. Number 4, Avital 4103LX Remote Car Starter. The Avital remote start system puts other car starter systems to shame with its high-tech abilities. The 2 remotes possess unique AUX outputs and boost range as they're combined with a superhet receiver. A wide variety of features are available, such as lock, unlock, remote start, and trunk release. An optional anti-grind relay ensures that the system is secure by preventing the starter system from engaging if your ignition key accidentally switches to the start position during remote operation. If you're planning to install this car starter yourself, the incorporation of a virtual touch converter, which samples a vehicle's voltage hundreds of times per second, allows you to bypass the installation of a tachometer wire connector, which is collectively hated by DIYers. Overall speaking, this small yet full-width feature remote car starter is something that you'll love to have. Pros: valet takeover. Virtual Touch TM technology, Superhet. Receiver, packed with important features. Cons, tough to install if you are a beginner. Number 5, Viper 5305V two-way LCD vehicle remote car starter. THS remote car starter has a generous 1,320-foot range and two-way confirmation, meaning you will know if your car has responded after pushing the button. An LCD screen is also very easy to read. Aside from the Viper name, we also enjoy its security features. A Stinger double guard shock sensor sounds off when an impact is detected and a 125 dB siren rocks your ears off. The remote car starter is also compatible with smart start systems that allow you to remotely start using your phone and track your car's location using GPS. If you want to keep your vehicle clean too, take a look at the best garbage can. This is the best Viper remote car starter for people who live or regularly park in unsafe areas with an anti-theft GPS tracker, shock sensing, an ear-blasting 125 dB siren. For the price, you'd expect to get smartphone control, but like other remote car starters on our list, you'll have to buy the app and modules separately. Pros: built-in GPS tracking. Start includes spare remote. Cons: high cost and monthly subscription needed for tracking.